What's up, everybody? A few days ago, exactly 4 days ago, I went ahead and I upgraded my Mavic Air 2 to the DJI Air 2S. Notice they dropped the Mavic title. So, of course, that everybody's been talking about, larger camera, twice the size of sensor. It went from a 1/2-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor, which is exactly the biggest upgrade that I wanted on this drone here. So I went, picked it up the very day it came out, and luckily, to test the 1-inch sensor, my local city, Louisville, Kentucky, was having Thunder Over Louisville, which is a big fireworks show. So I thought, what better way than to put both drones up side by side and see just how better the 1-inch sensor is. Will it make a difference? Well, here's the video to prove it or disprove it. Alright, so we're going to start off on the Mavic Air 2. We are at 4K, 30 frames per second, and we are overlooking the city of Louisville. You have good old Big 4 walking bridge, I-65 right there, north-south action. Belle of Louisville paddling its way down the river. And as we switch over, there's a few things I want to point out to you. For one, it got a lot brighter. We're able to see the streets more clearly. The light from everything is being absorbed a lot easier. And the field of view on the camera is much, much wider. In fact, you can see those green blinking lights on the right are my Mavic Air 2 right next to this drone. And here's when the fireworks began. You see the fireworks on the left-hand side. We also have fireworks on the right-hand side. Again, you're going to see a much greater field of view out of the Air 2S. And I think I forgot to mention I am in 5.4K at 30 frames per second. So I decided to switch over because it looked like these fireworks were closer so we could get a better picture of them. Again, that wider field of view is just, it's actually very, very impressive on this camera. I was highly surprised as to how much more I can get in and how closer I can get to things. Now here they are side by side. Left-hand side is the Mavic Air 2, and the right-hand side is A2S. And this is the exact same time frame so that we can compare literally the exact same moments side by side. And this is with no editing done whatsoever. And this is at 200%. We've zoomed in on Premiere Pro. Again, no editing whatsoever. 300%. Now you can really see the noise being made. It's much more obvious on the Mavic Air 2, but it also exists on the A2S. And then this is just a quick example. I threw in some quick denoise. It actually cleared both up very, very well, but you can still see the street lights and much more information in the A2S. Well, I hope you enjoyed this comparison. Which did you like better? Would you still go with the Air 2 1/2-inch sensor, or do you prefer the upgraded 1-inch sensor of the Air 2S? Let me know down in the comments below. If you got anything from this video or entertained and want to see more, make sure to subscribe and like it, and I will see you all in the next one. Safe flying. Beep, 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 beep. Are we recording? I don't know what to do with my hands.